Yeah, in the last video I talked about this minor major thing that you can add to the pentatonic. That's in the key of C. And I wanted to expand it a little bit on a 12-bar blues. This is like the classic slow blues, the key of C, but it can be in any key really. And again, I tried in the example, obviously I probably overdone it, so to speak, on purpose, so that obviously it's clear where you can use this, this sound, so to speak, rather than not. I probably wouldn't do it as much in a proper gig scenario, so to speak, but I just wanted to make it obvious. In this 12-bar blues, you would have the one chord, which is obviously C7, where we would play the C minor pentatonic with the minor major. In every possible combination, obviously I'm playing phrases, this is just a reference. Obviously on F, I have to say that in the first 4 bars, I would probably just stick to C, even though I'm going to F, and I probably would play phrases over that F, as well as C minor pentatonic. You can still just play a blues, really. I actually feel that it sounds quite nice when I go to that G. When I go then back to that F, it sounds quite nice as well in that turnaround section at the end. So you can see that in the first 8 bars, basically, it sounds best to play the minor major pentatonic in C. That's basically that sound. And then in the turnaround section, the last 4 bars, I would say that you can use each individual minor major pentatonic to go with each chord. So I would have the G, the 5, and I would have the F, back to C, and then back to G. Okay. Obviously, this is quite a strong sound, so it's to be used here and there. I'm exaggerating it on purpose to get the point across, so to speak. If you found this video of any value, please consider sending it to somebody that could get some value as well. Like, subscribe, the usual stuff. Please check out the links in the description. I have a few ebooks and backing tracks available on my website for download. If you make a donation, you can download a bundle. That backing tracks that you heard in the first video is a part of a bundle that I've made a while back, and it's available on my website for download. It's called MRG Blues Backing Tracks. You can find it on all the usual online websites as well. So if you find this of value, please consider making a donation in any way so you can get something back. All right, take care. Bye-bye.